Thank you for all that support that you gave me back there when I was in prison, because it helped me to survive, helped me to believe in some miracles. Because of your support, I'm here.
At Amnesty, we've been working on Aleksandra Skočilenko's case and campaigning for her freedom for such a long time, and it's a very special moment to finally be able to hug her and see that she is now able to walk freely and not unjustly imprisoned in Russia anymore.
Sonia gave me strength to survive in prison. I think it's really easier to be in jail when people are supporting you. All this support that you are getting outside of the jail, it helps you not to think that you are criminal. Amnesty International, thank you. Thank you for all your support.